In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Biometrics. Then click on Face Unlock under Screen Lock and enter your current login method. After that, select Start at the bottom. Keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions from your screen, and wait for 100% mark. Then select Done, hit OK, and adjust those two options however you want to. You can even disable or enable Face Unlock from those settings instead of removing it. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!